Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to send cards on Monopoly Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So Monopoly Go, so I'm going to teach you here how to send cards, which is fairly simple and easy to do. Since Monopoly Go is a highly social mobile game, it's the online version of the new board game that has grown increasingly popular, where players can experience the fast-paced multiplayer excitement of purchasing properties and such as things like that. So I'm going to teach you here a step-by-step guide on how to send cards to other people in the game. So first off, you just launch off the game, as you can see right here, and you have the game launched. So you'll find the album symbol in the bottom right corner of your screen, where on the right corner of the home screen, tap that button. After that, you'll find a sticker that you own in the game. As you can see here, I have multiple stickers already that are just lying around. So if you see that, find the ones you have a duplicate in your collection. It's just going to be labeled A+1, or the corresponding number sign will indicate how many cards what you own. So you just check it out if there is such. I don't think I have one since there I found one. So here, so you see the +1 button right there. So thereafter, just select a friend option, send to friend, and you see here I have one friend that I want to send it to. Just select that, and then it will be on its way to the list of friends you want to send it to. And it's just that simple, by sending cards to your friends. That's just how you send cards on Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.